so much has happened. PTSD. I am not kidding. I am filming this for probably the 17th time. Why? Why? Because I have anxiety. Because I'm autistic. I said it. I said it. I said it. I've actually said it before in a vlog, and then before that in an actual vlog. But now I'm like having to tell you in a discussion. We're having a discussion. And I'm sorry if this seems weird, like extra. It's because I'm feeling extra. And you guys should be glad about it. And I'm not going to try to stay too serious. I'm not going to try to stay. I'm just going to leave. Whew. So, I don't have a tripod, so I'm holding it. And I kind of like it to be personal. I'm autistic. Did I say that? I'm autistic. I'm autistic. I just like to say it. I feel like I haven't got to say it all day. Now I get to say it. I've come out to my family. They know. They don't want to be spoken about. It's a private matter. Reserved. But just, now it's just for you guys. Now it's for just us. It's us guys. Drawing you. Okay. Creepy. Where am I going with this? So many angles. So much editing. I don't think people understand how much editing goes into editing a video. Like, I'm all about YouTube, but the editing process is brutal. Brutal. I go and I sit and I go through basically all the I sit and I go through what I'll go into depth because I want to give you guys the whole nutshell of it. Okay, so to start, I made a beer with a vlog, which was kind of a dog with a vlog. Drew Lynch. Sorry if I took your shit. It was just what was making me feel better at the time. I don't really want to make a serious thing out of this. Whatever. So I made the vlog. The one with me telling you basically about myself and what I'm getting out of this. But it doesn't really, oh yeah, this is, look, I'm just a millennial YouTuber. Sorry, I've been watching too much dog with the vlog. Back to the editing. Back to the video. My mom is probably gonna know I'm yelling. Sorry, Mom. So, I made a vlog. It didn't go well. It sucked. I was crazy. I was a terrorist. Shit went down. Joey Graceffa. I'm just gonna name every vlogger I know until I'm tired of naming vloggers I know. So, I'm happy. That's what is important. Other than making videos and that's what's happy. Other than making videos, that's what makes me happy. I'm happy. And that's why I'm here. If I wouldn't be here if I wouldn't be here if I didn't want to be. I'm a comedian. I do stand-up. This is basically my version of stand-up comedy. I'm a comedian. I wouldn't call myself a comedian. I would call myself as like a human joke. A comedy. I'm more like a comedy than a comedian. Because I think comedians actually have experience, like prior history. And all I have is like jokes. So, comedy? This is a comedy vlog. I don't know what I named it. A beer with a vlog, but that can't really be. I was thinking about this in the shower and I fucking came up with an idea. And now I don't know what it was because I was in the shower and I wasn't filming. I'm really dragging on here. I just need to come up with a title. I'm autistic and I have a vlog. That's really, that can't be the title of it. I'm new to this. I'm 21 years old. I don't have a dog. And I'm good looking. Beautiful. I don't think you're supposed to say that. I'm pretty average looking. Pretty average. Those aren't jokes that I'm gonna put on there. Jesus Christ. I'm a vlogger. I'm autistic. I feel like that's just so Oh. Autism. A vlog with an autism vlog. An autism vlog. Because it rhymes, like autism vlog. A vlog with an autism. A vlog with an autism. That's not that funny. I don't know why I laugh so hard. Vlogging with an autism. Or a vlog with autism. Autism with a vlog. I mean, autism with a vlog is kind of probably the one. That's it. Okay, what about you guys? Who does that? Shane Dawson? He's so funny. I like to think about things that make me laugh. Makes life a little less, down in the dumps. That's a video for another day. 2 things you've learned today. Hi. I'm just making a vlog. I have autism. Hi, everybody. My name is Danielle. Hi, everybody. My name's Danielle. I am autistic and I have a vlog. And you really want to see the autistic, not the vlog. I also have a mom who's in the other room. She doesn't like to be named, but for video's sake, it makes me more comfortable. And this is a vlog. Danielle. Trust. How do you gain their trust? By not doing that. Whew. Keeping them on the vlog, not letting my mom. I swear I'm like not that. Wow. This is a YouTube video to make money. I think that's all I have to say. These are my I think that's all I have to say. This is what YouTubers don't add in. This is what people don't add to life. This is what every person I meet is like. This is what every conversation I have doesn't have. Um, I'm doing this to make money. This is what every conversation I have at work was like. This is what every conversation at work is like. This is what every conversation at work is like. Hi, nice to meet you. What can I get for you today? Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, God. What can I get for you today? Uh, it's silence. I don't know. No, they don't even say I don't know. They're just like, fried chicken? No, they're like, can I get fried chicken? Yeah, how much do you want? I'm a bitch. Yeah, I'm a bitch. Like, a breast and a thigh. Okay, just, and now I'm mixing two sections, but I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll get that for you, and I go start it, and then I'm like, how are you doing today? And, because I don't know these people, and then I realize they don't know me either, and this is weird. I did that for a very long time till I gave up on thinking that, okay, that's not a point. 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 Not a point, Danielle. Not a point. Then, or, I think that's good, right? I think I'm good. This vlog is gonna get crazy. So, and it's gonna be secretive. I'm gonna be all. This vlog is gonna be crazy, and my mom is not gonna want to hear it. She's not gonna want to know what's going on in here. That's how bad it's gonna get. Don't tell your moms about me. That sounds so weird. What else? I quit my job today. My dad was really mad. But we're not going to talk about that because that is besides the point. This vlog is now a new vlog. I've now started wanting to talk about how my dad yelled at me today. He basically, yep. He told me I was worthless, no good piece of shit. No, he didn't. But this is worthwhile. This was also another title option, worthwhile watching. But that's really just, is it worthwhile watching? I'm crying and I got stuff in my eye. This always happens to me. Do you guys ever do this? I swear, I'll be like rubbing this. Okay, I'll be avoiding to rub my eye. Because I rubbed one out. Kidding. And then I get sperm in my eye. And I made that joke. That's why I can laugh at it. Drew Lynch, he's the one who approved it. Drew Lynch approved. Anyways, and I get this like particles. It's not, there's not any ways. This is still the vlog. You're still here. And sorry I shook you. You're not supposed to shake babies. And then I rub my eye and it stings. Like our relationship. I hope you guys are as content. You guys aren't making the vlog. You guys can be content. I'm making content and you guys are content of the content. Quality content. I don't see you guys making a video. I don't see you guys trying. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. But I don't see you guys doing anything. Just make a video. Don't. Because this is my job, and if you start making videos, then my job is over. I'm joking, kids. Making videos is great, but that's not the point here. The point is you're here to watch a video. And that's quality versus quantity. No, that's just quality content. That's experience. That's what I'm saying I have. And if you want to fight me, go to a damn different channel. Go to Shane Dawson. That's not quality. Shane, I am not sure if you... Jane. Um... Getting really cold and shaky. Shane, I'm... This is like the fellow comedians. I feel like I don't go after anyone's vlog or anything like that. I don't have any relation to non-comedy vlogs. The rest of them don't matter. I don't have any correlation with any other vlog. I don't have a life. I don't have a life. What happened to my life? This became. We began. You guys can't deny it. So, here we are, let's go. Round 300 laps. Oh my god. I hear a rat. I'm digressing. I swear that's what the vlog should be called. I've been rambling. Okay. See y'all later, bye!